Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, have other box is arrived today. So here is a steering wheel stand. Here is racing wheel stand, guys. So
yeah, it's very expensive. How
there
much
is
was it? Was it $200?
200 plus. Heavy, 50 pounds. Really? Where is it? I not see it.
I crossed it out. I forgot.
Careful your hands. Not want to cut your hands. Here. Ta-da! Okay. Oh, box in the box. Oh my goodness.
Box.
Have other box.
The racing steering wheel stand made in China.
Yep.
Everything's made in China. China.
It's heavy.
Lunar New
There you
Year.
go.
Lunar New Year was
Oh.
yesterday.
Oh, this. Yeah.
And
Get that. Oh, careful.
this one.
Yeah. There
Let's
you
see.
go.
What is that for?
Ta-da! Yes.
It's nice over here.
Oh, what's this? The mat. The floor mat.
Oh, we got mat.
Oh, put that there. Floor mat. Or just...
Hey,
Here is the floor mat.
We got a rug.
Put that there.
Oh my
Sit
God, look at
up.
the seat.
There is the seat.
It feels nice.
Slowly.
Now we gotta pick it up.
Wait.
There you go.
There you go. Wait. It's so heavy.
Oh wait, is it connected?
Not want to.
It looks like the gaming chair that we have.
Oh my goodness, this. Have other here. This. Put that there.
So much stuff in it.
So heavy because it's a metal.
What is that? Metal?
And there's here too. Ooh.
Lots of metal things. Pick that up.
Yes. Just put that here. Okay.
Pick it.
Okay, put that.
Oh, it folds up kind of
Oh,
like
wait.
this. What's that? Okay. Go sideways. Maybe I need to see me pulling it out. That up.
Slowly.
Alright.
There is the
Yeah,
chair. This is the other box. There you go.
What is that? Man, it's so heavy. What are
No,
these?
metal. Other.
Box out of here.
Oh, here is the stuff here. There you go. There's the chair. Wow, look at that.
Okay.
You can fold that. I do.
Here it is.
Slowly.
Right here.
Ta-da!
Put it out.
Ta-da!
Oh, geez.
There you go. Ooh.
Heavy.
Yep. There is.
Oh, geez. It's like one of those baby seats. Why don't we just get one of those baby seats and use it?
Baby seat.
Yeah, it feels exactly like it.
Oops.
Why does it keep folding like that? That's
This
very
is
heavy.
folding this.
It's very heavy. What is that?
There you go.
I
chair.
can literally rock in this thing. Let me do this. Let me see
Okay.
if wait, look.
Here is we
Wait.
assemble now.
Let me look.
So that we put this steering wheel here. This is the ladder. And there is the pedal so that I can put that there.
Jeez.
Because have no other to put that the table is not fit in here because it's so thick. See, have other, it's okay only this, but have this here so it cannot fit. So let's assemble now. I put in here. So this is the
Rub.
mat in here.
I call it rub.
Mat, guys. There you go. This wrinkle.
It's because it had to be. Is this? That thing? I'm pretty sure
There you go.
this is the same thing. I'm pretty sure. Ah. Yep, it's the same. Oh wait, it's not the same. It's a little bit bigger. It looks the same except there's a little bottom part on it. There you go.
There you guys.
I did it.
And here is
What is this thing?
oh,
is
look
this?
at this.
It's heavier.
In the middle too.
So I'll check it out. Let me check it out. Okay, so first we got install. These are the instructions. This heavy metal stick.
You. Okay guys, here is the all the stuff inside in the box.
Later cut.
Oh, here is racing simulator cockpit.
That's what I said.
So build now. Is everything is
Lots of bolts.
bolts and alum instruction, guys. It's so long to build this. Okay, so let's start to build. So first is this one, this, uy, see, hey guys, this is the first one. There he is, see that? And the second one is in here. B is this one. So we do the, I think like that. For racing. Look at that. It's nice. So, done na guys. Oh, here, not yet. Guys. See this? Right now. Push down, then lock. So, here to. Down, lock. There you go. So ready now guys for racing. All is set up now. This is a racing simulator cockpit guys. So this is it guys. It's already done. So I hope you enjoy it my setup for tonight. But here hub one is have no screw here. See, have lacking one screw. Only that have no shifter too, so it's okay. Have no screw that there. There you go. There is my setup for racing well. So yes, done guys. Finally it's finished. Yeah, look at that. have no shifter because we not yet buy. There you go. Nice. At the pedals and the steering wheel. Yeah. So that's it, the assemble, guys. So I hope you enjoy it.